Here's a question for you. What if playing like teenagers is the real glue in long marriages? Yeah, what if? And what if elephants can fly? And I'm not talking about Dumbo from that wonderful Disney cartoon many years ago. Here's the fact. Playing like anything means that what you're doing is you're working on your outer self, not your inner self. Now, all of us want a really super positively good marriage, don't we? And at the Marriage Foundation, we have two main themes. Number one is don't settle. You don't have to settle for an average marriage or a mediocre marriage. You don't have to settle at all. Marriage is designed to be amazing. It really is. I've been doing this since 2001. I used to be a divorce mediator. A couple asked me to help them save their marriage. I did a deep dive, not from a Western psychological point of view, but from a practical point of view. In other words, what do we want out of our marriage? And I discovered some things that are just awesome, just mind-boggling. And one is that, and please don't take this as some religious preaching, because that's not where I'm coming from. But God is our Father. If you're a father or a mother, you're going to relate to what I'm about to say. Your children are so precious to you that you will do anything to help them be happy. That doesn't mean you don't give them discipline, because ultimately giving them discipline will help them have happiness, right? An undisciplined, a desultory life won't bring happiness. And so God is our Father. He created marriage. Why? Because He wants us to be happy, off the charts happy. And He succeeded, God never fails, He succeeded in creating this amazing entity. I call it the sacred space of marriage because from our point of view, it's like a holy endeavor. Why is it a holy endeavor? Why is it spiritual? Because love itself is the ultimate creator for happiness. And love is spiritual. It's not tangible. You can't put it into a test tube. It's not quantifiable. It's not measurable. And so it is spiritual. God, of course, is spiritual, you might say. But what is really going on here is that He wants us to be happy. So how do we achieve that happiness? We don't play like teenagers, although, quite frankly, sometimes we act like teenagers, but not because we're acting, because we feel that upliftment within a marriage that is producing so much happiness we can't even contain it. They call, and I am speaking from experience, they call that marital bliss. It's a real thing, and you can have it. How do you have it? Well, here's the thing. At the end of the video, there is a portion of the video where we talk about all the things that we have to offer. But basically, education is primary. We have to have an education in marriage in order to succeed in marriage, period. As I say, full stop. Why? It's like anything else. If you want to do a great job at anything, let's say you want to build a wall, let's say you want to become a great cook, let's say you want to, whatever, it doesn't matter. First step, education. Next step, developing the skills to achieve what you want to achieve within the context of what you're studying. And then it's learning how to apply those skills, in this case, to your marriage. Can't do without it. There's just not enough information that is produced casually in our world for you to have a great marriage. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to pretend. And that's why we're here. This is my mission, is to share what I have learned. And trust me, it's a lot. So don't play like a teenager. If you're feeling like a teenager, then act like a teenager. That's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. But it's not the glue. What is the glue that holds marriages together for so long? When you see these beautiful old couples together, And I guess I'm old, but I don't look that old, do I? And so anyway, what is that glue? It's very simple. It's the glue of love. It's the glue of mutual respect. It's the glue of two people, or at least one of you, really caring for the other so much that you're swimming in joy. And that's what you're supposed to do in marriage. Swim in joy. Like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this video. I'm very interested. God bless you and take care. Hi, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. Been saving marriages since 2001. Now, what can we say about not giving up and not settling? These are two big deals that for your marriage, these are vital concepts. And they boil down to two things that we offer you. One are the books that we have. I have Lessons for a Happy Marriage, which is the first book that I wrote, and Breaking the Cycle. They're both great. Flip a coin as to which one you want. That's for not settling. Those books lay out for you exactly what marriage is all about. The guidelines, the intricacies, delves into communication, all the things about marriage that you need to know. And if your marriage is doing fine, but you just have this little problem here, this little problem there, but it's basically doing fine, don't settle. I promise you this, when you read one of these books, you're going to learn more about marriage than you even knew you didn't know, and it's going to change everything for the better. You will be so grateful that you took my advice and got one of those books. Now, the Don't Give Up, when I began, I was structuring, compiling all the marriage help that people need in order to save their marriage. I was a divorce mediator until 2001, and so I was fortunate that I was accessing a support group for those who were going to get a divorce called Second Saturday in San Diego, California. And so I was able to pull out of those sessions individuals, after I told them that I could help them save their marriage, who were beyond on the verge of getting a divorce. I'm going to say 95 to 98% of the people for whom I got a divorce shouldn't have, didn't need to, had they known what I now know. I took all of that knowledge and I put it into comprehensive courses, one for men and one for women. These courses, your course based on your gender, will bring you from the depth of the swamp that you find yourself in, out of that, into the light, and help you achieve a marriage you never even dreamed possible. That's a promise. Now, what if you're not even married? What if you're going to get married and you're just looking around for marriage advice? In that case, and I actually created this for some friends, we have a premarital course, which is amazing. You'll never have a problem in your marriage. Well, like nobody ever has a problem, but you won't have any killer problems. You'll know how to be married to get the most out of your marriage. What if you're only dating? Then I have a course for you too. This one I actually created for my son, and it is a step-by-step process for you to attract your soulmate, and in the right way. I'm so glad that you found us. Please take advantage of that which we have to offer. We are here to serve you. I'm Paul Friedman. God bless you, and take care.